That's Cooper taking a drink. Who's so sweet? Who's so sweet? Isn't he sweet? That's a very sweet little boy. Who's very sweet? Are you sweet? Cooper owns the whole den. He's got 3 beds. 1, 2, 3. He's running after Brady. What are you doing? What are you doing? You guys want to play?